Gala mode.
In the first activity, you are going to use Scratch and Computer Science First through Google to learn to animate your name. So we'll watch a bit of the introduction video to see what that looks like. So one of the examples animates the name and the pictures, and another example is their homeland of Colombia. This hour code activity is Dance Party. In this tutorial, you will add characters and choose music to animate. Ooh, I need to add my dancer first. So in the first activity, you just learned how to pick your character and make a dance. And as the activities progress, you add characters, you add features, you add moves until you create your very own dance party. In this hour of code activity, you will help the Grinch get towards Whoville by passing certain challenges. So there's a drone on the left in the activity screen, and then you give the drone directions by dragging blocks into the workspace. Help the Grinch ruin Christmas. Hour of Code also provides a Star Wars Hour of Code activity, and you can choose to do Hour of Code Star Wars in either Blockly, where you drag blocks that will move BB-8 around the obstacles, or you can do it by dragging JavaScript or typing in JavaScript to further develop your coding skills. That is a role-play type of coding experience. And you move through this map and have different challenges as you move along. So let's look at Block Pusher. You'll play. It tells you what your goal is, to learn about strings and complete the level. So once we start this level, you can choose your different characters and icons. In the left, it gives you directions, and on the right, it looks complex, but really they're telling you exactly what to do. So the code in blue gives you directions. That's a text code. And then the JavaScript directions are here in black. So it's fun to finish the missions and move along the map. In this hour of code activity, we will use Scratch to make music. So as you go along this activity, the instructions will be here at the right, and then you will use the tools in the center to build, and on the left, you will see Scratch responding to your commands. So if you click Next, it takes you through making a melody, adding instruments, adding chords, adding rhythm, playing random notes, adding vocals, so you're mixing your own track. It's pretty fun. In this hour of code, you will create your own Google logo. The Google logo looks something like these here. They have the idea of Google, but different animations and shapes in place of the letters. So this is a Google First or CS First through Google activity. The instructions are here embedded in video, and then you can choose how you change your logo. So you can change color, say something, jumbo letters, spin, dance, whirl. Pretty cool way to be both an artist, designer, and a coder. So in this hands-on activity, you will build structures out of gumdrops and toothpicks. The object of this is to be able to hold a heavy item like a book. So there will be various materials available for you to build and test to develop your critical thinking skills.